Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Pepe update. It's not going to be such a positive update. Yesterday we talked about it already that we probably had a bearish breakout and that was going to lead to more bearish momentum. Well, we did not really stand a chance. I mean, yesterday we already, like we talked about, we broke down below that 15,000 level right here, that key level, and we tested it, but then you know, there could have been a chance that we would have been able to break above that again and get into that consolidation between 16,500 and 15,000. But then we, at around 3 o'clock, at least in my time zone, we got a strong bearish move for Bitcoin right here, and that caused Pepe to crash as well, down to the levels between 13,000 and 13,500, just as expected in the video yesterday. I gave you that move 100% accurately. But now the question is, and it's, I know my thumbnail is a little bit dramatic, but is Pepe dying? Right, because we've been bearish now for quite some time. I mean, basically from the all-time high right here, which was the 5th of May, so that's 20 days ago already, we've been bearish. All right, so it's not looking great. And right now the problem is, and we'll talk about that more in depth in this video, but the problem is that we are also again now trending down. Whereas first, like right here, the 17th of May last week and towards the end of the weekend, we were still relatively, I mean, we even got a nice little spike and we were consolidating just fine. But now we had a bearish breakout and the EMAs are trending down and the ADX is above 20, which indicates that we are trending. And if there's one thing we are not doing right now, then it's trending up. So yeah, that's a bit tough. So before we get into the rest of the video and actually what I expect from Pepe, if you do want to get daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. Now onto Pepe. So what I expect basically is this level right here between 13,000 and 13,500 is pretty strong. All right, so I do expect that to hold. And one thing you should never forget is that Pepe in the weekend usually is pretty strong. So unless Bitcoin gets a huge move down right now, down to 25,000, if that happens, I think we'll drop down to our next support level, which is between 11,000 and 10,000. Major support level, by the way. That's one of the levels where I would actually think about buying Pepe again. But for now, I do not think we'll drop down there. I think we'll just slowly drop back down to the levels we already reached, around 13,000. Now, even though I do think over the long run it's over for Pepe, I do not think we can get to all-time highs again in the next year. So I think that's over for at least until the next bull market again. But I do think we'll hold that 13,000 level on the short term, and that we can actually get some bullish momentum again in the weekend, so that we can actually get back to levels around 15,000, perhaps even 16,000, but I doubt it. But yeah, on the short term, I'm actually not that bearish on Pepe. I think first of all, we can hold the support level we have already touched. And second of all, I even think that we can get some bullish momentum from that support level in the weekend. Because usually you can also see that on the chart. Usually in the weekend, here you can see it, the volume starts to go up, right? So the 20th was Saturday, if I'm correct. Yeah, the 20th was Saturday. You can see over the entire weekend, volume was pretty high. It went from 150 to around 400 million. Well, right now the volume is 250. That means we can actually get some nice volume in the weekend and get some nice bullish momentum, I think. So on the short term, I'm pretty bullish, but overall, I do think that even with that bullish momentum, after that, we will just drop back down to 13,000, and at some point of time, we'll just drop down to 11,000 and 10,000 as well. But that's not on the map for now. I will keep you updated on that, but for now, this is my take on Pepe. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.